Follow the arrow. I'm trying, babes. This is just side of my head that is not Face IDing. Make this your new iPhone. Yeah, let's do that. I'm not liking that when I be pressing continue, it's not continuing. It says cannot restore backup. What do you mean by that? What does this message mean again? Like, no. Stop. Like, no. This is the third time I've received this message. Apple always wants to give me janky products. Hey, bruh. Stop playing with me. Y'all, the excitement is officially gone away because this is the fourth time I'm getting this message. I'm frustrated, you guys. I'm frustrated. I'm currently on my way to the Apple store. Baby girl, let the ice spray. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Hey beauties, it's your girl Alma, and we're kind of doing this intro a little backwards. It's currently the end of the video. I just got back from the Apple store and I was like, let me refilm this intro. So I'm in the car. Like I just said, I came back from the Apple store and I had to go to the Apple store because, oh yeah, I forgot why I had to go. I had to go back to the Apple store because my phone would not restore from iCloud backup. And so, yeah, it was stuck on that little screen for 3 days. Y'all see it in the video. So yeah, I went to the Apple store. She couldn't restore from backup either. It was giving her the same issues. And it kept saying cannot restore from iCloud backup. So thankfully we were able to, not we, she. Luckily, thankfully, she was able to, you know, use my old phone. Where is it? Yeah, I had my old phone with me, so she was able to transfer from this phone to this phone. But yeah, I just want to give you guys a little intro. I was initially excited to get the iPhone 13 because my iPhone 10X Max doesn't have Face ID. It's caused me so much problems in the past. Like, the screen would go black and I couldn't see anything I was doing. It's just like a hot mess. I was initially excited to get my hands on a new phone or whatever, but then the iPhone 13 started causing problems. So like, all the excitement is gone. I'm just scared that this initial setting up process is not indicative and it's not, you know, foreshadowing the problems I'm gonna have with this phone, because I'm going to scream as soon as I get home. I am going to purchase Apple Care because I'm not playing with Apple. Like, y'all not about to do that to me. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and cue the unboxing. Bye. Hey guys, so I decided to do the unboxing portion like this. Yeah, I hope everything is good. I brought a studio light, so hopefully the lighting is good, child. Alright you guys, I figured this was the best way to do the unboxing. I've never done an unboxing, so forgive me. I hope this is a good angle. Yeah, we're just gonna get started. I'm gonna flip it over. So we're gonna pull these arrows. Can y'all see? Because you know you can only do an unboxing once. Let's see y'all. Okay, for the first tab open. Are y'all excited? I am. Let me flip this around. Yeah, take this one off. Okay, what do we do next? Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Okay, hold on, y'all. Give me a second, please. I'm like so overwhelmed. I wish y'all could see my face, but like, it's a lot going on. I'm scared, oh my god, oh my god. Wait, why are you scared? It's like I'm excited and scared, like, oh my god. Like, listen, like, I can't, what? Yo, this is so beautiful. I haven't even touched it yet. I'm actually scared. Wait, oh my goodness. Can y'all see? Stop. Wait, hold on. This is overwhelming. I'm sorry. I'm very much overwhelmed. 1 second. Do you see how beautiful my girl is? So, we're gonna, wait, I'm shaking. Okay. I'ma breathe. We'll leave this last. Let's go through the box. I told you I never done this before, so I don't know what direction it goes. So we just gonna start with the box. We save the best for last. What is this? Oh, this is a thing for the SD card. Yeah. Okay, thank you. And then it has an Apple sticker. Love that. Thank you. And then, all right. And it has a charger. Is this one of the ones that can plug into my computer? Can this plug into my computer? I feel like it can. I don't wanna take it out the packaging. This looks like it will fit into like the new MacBooks and MacBook Airs that you know, need an adapter for every single thing. So I'm happy for that. But y'all, I think Apple is going broke because where is the charging box? Where are my headphones? Let me see if I can find my iPhone 10 box, so I keep stuff like that. And let's see, because I know those things came with headphones. I'm pretty sure. Not me finding my iPhone 10 and my iPhone 8 box. Like, I know both of these came in with headphones. Like, this had headphones, and I'm pretty sure it came with a charging box. And let's see what's in here. These had headphones too. Okay, I didn't use the headphones, but it was still nice that they came with them. You know what I'm saying? Even the option not to use them, just don't omit it like that. Like, dang, can I have a say? But they still in here, so I guess I can't complain. And I have AirPods. But like, dang. Back to this video. That is really it with the box, okay? There's nothing else to unbox in here. So now we just gonna go through with the phone. Y'all need an angle change. Like, I don't know if I'm ready for this, because once I rip this off, your girl has a new phone. The phone has been here for weeks. It was pre-ordered, but I'm now getting around to getting to use it, so I'm excited. I want to make sure I have the perfect angle for the ripping off. Make sure this is centered. Are we ready? I don't know if I'm ready. Is the lighting good? Like, I can't tell. Oh my gosh. I want to scream, but I won't. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at my phone. I'm so happy I got the black. My sister got the blue. Ooh, my hand's greasy. I put lotion on, so I wasn't asking for this video, but my hand's greasy. Ugh. I got a case for the phone, so let me just put the case on it, because, you know, I got that lotion grease on my hand, and I don't want it all over my phone, but y'all see the phone cute. We're going to put the case on it and then power it up. This is the case I bought from Amazon. Well, that's not the case, it's the case box, but y'all know what I'm talking about. All right, so it's just a pink case. Love pink. Pink is my new favorite color. I still love purple, but pink is my girl. So, gonna try to wipe down the lotion grease. I'll put this on here. Let me move this. This is ruining it. You're ruining it.
Ruining it. Look at my lips. You're ruining it. Ruining.
Let me move this too. So we're gonna turn her on. Let's see. Are y'all ready? Y'all probably like, girl, just do it. Wait, how I do it? Wait, how do I do it? Like this, right? Right? Okay. It's powering up. Can y'all see? Okay, she's on. English. United States. Quick start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone. Oh my gosh, y'all. I did quick start when I got my second iPad. Oh my god, and that was the best thing ever. Like, the setup process was super quick, so we gonna do quick start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this. Set up your iPhone. Unlock to continue. Hold on, y'all not finna see my password. Continue. Waiting for other iPhone. I hope y'all can really see. Okay. Enter passcode of your other iPhone. May take a few minutes to activate. Wait, so I gotta remove the SIM card myself? Wait, I can't. Yeah, I think so. Okay, Face ID. Y'all, I'm super excited because Face ID on my other phone did not work. So let's set that up now. How to set Face ID. Let's get started. Y'all not gonna see this part. I'm gonna fast forward, but we gonna get her started. No, this is hard. Follow the arrow. I'm trying, babes. Ugh, I have to do it again. Again? Oh my. This is just side of my head that is not Face IDing for me. There we go, please. That's enough. Thank you. Continue. Okay, I was about to say, I know the phone not frozen already. Wait, what do I want? Transfer from iPhone or download from iCloud. I'm stressed. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna do iCloud. I hope that was the right decision. Yo, I made the screen go black. Okay. Make this your new iPhone. Yeah, let's do that. I'm not liking that when I be pressing continue, it's not continuing. Maybe I'm not pressing hard enough, but I'm not liking that. Not now. Waiting for iPhone to complete backup. Now we wait. All right, y'all, she is done. So we're gonna finish on new iPhone. Well, we're gonna be gone again. because this has some time remaining. Hey, bruh, can someone tell me the meaning of this? What are they talking about? Can you read this? It says cannot restore backup. What do you mean by that? No, literally, what do they mean by that? Maybe I'm not meant to do unboxing videos because what are you talking about? I already waited long to finally use the phone. So stop playing with me. What does this message mean again? Like, no. Stop. Like, no. I'm gonna try one more time. This is the third time I've received this message. Like, I don't know what to say. Why can't my iPhone 13 restore from backup? Apple always wants to give me janky products. Hey, bruh, stop playing with me. I just want to scream. Like, I'm gonna try to calm down. Clearly this video is not going the way it should go, so I'm just gonna pause and then come back. Y'all, the excitement's officially gone away because this is the fourth time I'm getting this message. I don't know what it means, so I'm just going to redo the backup. All right, the backup is done. Yes, let's start this all over again. I'm not even gonna set up Face ID because that was a hassle the first time. Should it be charged? Like, should this be charging or something? Like, would that make it better? I'm frustrated, you guys. I'm frustrated. Y'all, if it doesn't work this time, this is gonna be the end of the video. I'm sorry. I'm okay 100% with this being an incomplete video because at least I did unbox it. I just didn't get to use it because it kept playing with me. But we'll see. We'll see. Okay, we're gonna try again. And I am currently on my way to the Apple store. As y'all could see, the video couldn't get finished because my phone was not cooperating. And I would like to show you guys 3 days later. Look at what the phone is doing. It's still saying the same thing. So we're going to go to Apple store and see if they can fix it. My appointment is at 2:30 and it's currently 2:28. So I'm already at the mall. So I'm going to take my little butt inside and we'll see what these Apple people are talking about. I'm not sure if I can film. So if I can't get it on the camera, I will get it on my phone.
So bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. In no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way back and close from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends. She wants something, she call and check in.
Alright, you guys, we are gonna conclude this iPhone unboxing video in the street, walking to the car. The lady, hey, that looked like my car right there. The lady tried to do it several times. I put like little clips in the video. She tried to restore from backup, wasn't working. And so luckily, because I do still have my phone, she just did a direct transfer from phone. And we all good in the hood. But yeah, yo, this is the most stressful video and I will not be doing another unboxing because this ain't never happened to me before.
I met a girl from the UK. She a dime, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains.